Have you ever wondered about the true potential of your mind? What if you could shape your reality just by thinking about it? This isn't science fiction, it's the power of visualization. Our minds are incredible tools. They can transport us to distant galaxies or the depths of the ocean, all without leaving our chairs. But did you know this imaginative power can also shape our lives? Visualization is simply the act of creating vivid images and experiences in your mind. Imagine biting into a juicy lemon, its tartness making you pucker. You just visualized. It's a natural ability we all possess and can harness for personal growth. By focusing our mental energy, we plant the seeds for real-world outcomes. Think of it as a mental rehearsal for success, a way to prime your mind and body for action. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming. It's a focused approach to achieving your goals. It involves picturing not just the outcome you desire, but also the steps to get there. Let's say you want to run a marathon. Instead of just imagining yourself crossing the finish line, visualize the entire journey. Picture yourself waking up early, lacing up your shoes, and feeling the pavement under your feet with each stride. See yourself pushing through fatigue, fueled by determination. By visualizing the process, you're not just wishing for a result, you're mentally preparing for the work required. This mental rehearsal helps build confidence and resilience, two key ingredients for success in any endeavor. Remember, a clear vision paves the way for focused action. Many associate visualization with relaxation techniques, and while it can induce calmness, its benefits extend far beyond. Studies have shown that visualization can improve athletic performance, boost creativity, and even accelerate physical healing. When you visualize, you're not just creating fleeting images, you're activating the same neural pathways in your brain as if you were actually performing the action. This mental practice strengthens those pathways, making it more likely you'll succeed in reality. Imagine a basketball player mentally rehearsing free throws. They see the ball arcing perfectly towards the hoop, feeling the satisfying swish as it goes through the net. This mental repetition translates to improved muscle memory and coordination on the court. Section 4. The science of making it real. Neurons and mental rehearsal. The efficacy of visualization isn't just anecdotal, it's rooted in neuroscience. Our brains struggle to distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and real ones. When you visualize, your neurons fire in patterns similar to when you're physically engaged in the activity. This neural activity strengthens the connections between brain cells, making the desired actions more automatic over time. Think of it like this. Imagine walking through a forest. The more you tread the same path, the clearer and more defined it becomes. Similarly, repeated visualization carves out neural pathways, making it easier for your brain to guide you towards your goals. This is the essence of mental rehearsal, training your brain for success before you even take physical action. Section 5. Your Visualization Toolkit, Simple Steps for Beginners. Ready to harness the power of visualization? Start with these simple techniques. Find a quiet space, eliminate distractions, and create a calm environment. Engage your senses. Don't just see, feel, hear, smell, and even taste your visualization. Focus on the positive. Visualize successful outcomes and focus on the feeling of achievement. Be consistent. Practice daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Remember, consistency is key. Just like any skill, the more you practice visualization, the more natural and effective it becomes. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The power of visualization compounds over time. Section 6. Unleash your potential, the daily practice of creation. Visualization isn't a magic bullet, it's a powerful tool that, when combined with action, can help you achieve your full potential. Make it a daily habit, a few minutes each day to consciously create the life you desire. Picture your goals, feel the emotions associated with achieving them, and let that energy fuel your actions. The universe is full of wonders, and the human mind is one of the most remarkable. By understanding and utilizing the power of visualization, you tap into that wonder and become an active participant in shaping your reality. Start visualizing today and witness the transformative power of your own mind. Join us on this journey of exploration as we delve deeper into the cosmos within and beyond. Subscribe now and stay connected.